What is that, Capone? What's in those boxes? I got a razor knife. That one's kind of janky. That one's not too bad. Let's see, this one. This one came from Colorado, so I think this is the tailpiece. So between these two boxes, we should have. Heck yeah, look at that. We should have all of the missing fairing stuff at this point. Looky there. We got a tail. We got a tail. Any stickers or goodies or anything. Just the receipt. This is the cheapest one I could find that wasn't jacked up, and I got it for $83.89 with tax and everything. The next cheapest one that was in pretty good condition was like 250 bucks. Oh God, these parts are expensive. Well, somebody kind of half opened this one already. This should be the rest of the stuff. And it came from England, Litchfield. Litchfield, England. So if you're on the AP group or whatever and happen to see this video, thanks, dude. This is like the rest of the stuff I needed to complete my bike. Awesome, looky there. We got a good seat. Look at that thing, it's like perfect. Man, just this seat, I've seen them go for what I paid for this whole box of stuff. So, dude, I mean, beyond thank you. I don't know if you didn't know what you had, or you were just hard up and needed to sell it, or wanted to pass it, pay it forward, or what. But freaking thank you, man. These guys, man, awesome. Well, those I already kind of have. But these are really nice. And this is what I needed, was the outside pieces. And just to find these things by themselves was like 150 bucks, 200 bucks a piece. So dude, I mean, you saved me a whole lot of cash and completed my bike. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty. That's wild how it curves in like that. The air intake scoops in from the inside. Alright. And the other side. Yeah, our pillion cover. The pillion cover. With the little doodad in it and everything. Little storage box inside there. This thing's got a crazy amount of storage. But that guy is supposed to fit on that guy, just like a so. And then the tail lights will be like two little circles if I put the factory ones on there. Heck yeah, looky there! Looky there! And obviously some color change is in order. Man, that came with the dang air volume sensor and everything. Look at that. Nice. No, I might put these on. The other side's missing the stickers, but I think they look nicer than the ones that are on there. And it came with some mirrors, 3 mirrors, so I've got a good set. I'm gonna open them up. They look good in the pictures. And then one more of the little top of the frame. No, it's both of them. It's the whole. Okay, I only saw one in the picture, but right on. So a blue set of those. How about them apples? That was the whole set of those. And both sides under the seat. And these you put on if you don't want to put the grill ones on them, which I might since I've got all the rest of the blue stuff now. And there was one side big fairing, little bumper thing. I don't know what that little bumper thing is. Check that out. So this is a different style fairing than what my bike's got on it. This has the little air duct doodad. Looks pretty nice. I don't know. I might have to find another one of these so I can interchange them and swap them out or have options. Well, what's in there? What else is that? That's a little, what is that, a bracket? Looks like a bracket. License plate bracket or something like that. Right on. Anything else hiding in here? Is that everything? That is everything. Alright. I don't know what that little bumper's for. Stick it over here in the little parts trays. Well, check that out. We'll stick this guy over here with the other two. And I'll just have to find me another one of those, and man, we got all the fairings. That's all here. How about that? Let's take a look at her with some clothes on her butt. Oh. Uh-oh. And I don't have the cover clicked all the way down because I don't quite have the key yet and I don't want to fight with it. But yeah, it's in place, it fits, everything looks good, and the seat is just freaking gorgeous, immaculate. Oh, it's coming together. How about them apples?